Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn your image into a moving video only by using AI. First of all, you go to dreamina.com, you make an account, and you go sign in there. Next, now you're here, click on this generate, on the video generator, click on this, and then also you can see that you can get free credits and that it will expire within 24 hours. Okay, now you need to select an image. I'm gonna select my image real quick. Okay, I've selected. And then you go down here into model and then click on this adjust button, click on it and change it to video S2, so you will get the highest quality ever. Okay, you can just type in the prompt. Let me just type in real quick. Okay, now you guys click on generate. Don't change anything here. Okay, generate. You can just wait for it. Okay, now the video is done. Let's watch it by clicking play. Okay, it's very smooth. Alright, yeah, that's basically it, guys. If you guys have any questions, you can just leave down in the comments and I'll try my best to answer all of it. And yeah, thanks for watching, everyone.